Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to the What's the Best Educator show, right? I'm your host, Best Educator, and today this message is to every amazing book lover out there, right? I made something special for you. I know how I've always been like an advocate of reading books, right? So, but today I want to talk about something peculiar, something special. Now, stick with me. Now, do you love reading online books? Right? Books have evolved from printed books, from physical books to online books, right? So you can be in your car and read a book. You can be in your office and read a book. You can be anywhere, even in the market, and read books. You don't have to go with what printed books anymore, right? So do you love reading online books? Right? A lot of people do. I know. I do. Like I also love reading what online books. Now, in the day whereby our smartphones are closer than what most of our family members, right? So today I'm going to tell you 8 sites where you can download online PDF books that you must that you must know. Right? So if you're a book lover, you have been looking for a site whereby you can download what PDF book, online books to improve yourself, to develop yourself. Right? Now here are what my list of 8 sites that you can visit. Number one on that list is what? Flip HTML5. Right? So if you visit this website, you can download free online books. Right? Number two on my list is Project Gutenberg. Right? Project Gutenberg is also a platform whereby you can download a lot of PDF materials and books. Number three, Library Genesis. Library Genesis is another platform whereby or a website whereby you can download ebooks, right? Online books. Number four on my list, which is very popular, and I know a lot of you people know about it, is what? Internet Archive, right? Internet Archive is as old as man as well. You can download and get ebooks from Internet Archive, right? Now, the next on my list, number five, is Google Scholar, right? I know Google, with the name Google, you should know what to expect. You can download free ebooks or online books from their website. Number six is Digital Public Library of America. Beg your pardon. Number seven is BookBoon. Number eight is freeebooks.net. So with freeebooks.net, you can also download free ebooks, right? So if you are a book lover, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Go down there and download your free ebooks. I mean your host, Best Educator. Thank you. Bye bye.